Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to episode 46 of Subway Surfers. Yeah, so I'm actually glad we're not in Oxford anymore, but it's not Sunday, it's actually Friday. And that's because we're resuming Subway Surfer Sundays on October 30th. So right now we're in Copenhagen, and everything here is superhero themed. Wow. Check out all this stuff. Super Runner? I'm gonna play as Super Runner Jake, traveling to Super Runner City. Here we go. Wow, check out everything. Wow, even the barriers look cool. They light up. Oh, and the season tokens are lightning bolts. J. Oh, Jake again. It's been since 2020, December of 2020, where I had to spell Jake, probably since Jake's word hunt. But I haven't done that in a while. I've been spelling many other different words. A. Let's try and get this K. Good. Let's get this lightning bolt. E. Word hunt complete. There. Let's grab the mystery box. What does this do? Double jump? Nice. This gave me a superhero power-up. Okay, here comes another power-up. Double jump again. There goes Super Jake, performing the double jump. Wow, nice poles as obstacles. And now it's back to the normal jump. Another power-up, the jetpack. Another superhero power-up. Random board? Oh, it's my sunset board. That's because now it's June. Magnet. I got an event reward. Ah. Okay, let's open the box. Want a precious stereo. And what's this? 500 coins. Let's claim this reward. Complete all 5 stages to win Super Runner Jake. Okay then. Not too bad. Returning to Copenhagen. Okay. Oh, this is for the 10th birthday special. Now I get it! This might take a while, but that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye!